Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I unlock my Fanduel account. So without wasting any time, just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Fanduel account and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now what you need to do is head over to your settings and then tap on Help Center or Support Center, or you can directly head over to your browser and on the search bar simply type in support.fanduel.com and then you'll be directly transferred to the support homepage. Now once you're inside here under the All-Star FAQs, what you need to do is tap on the option that says live chat, and once you do that, here a live chat will be started. Now what you need to do is enter in like you need to reactivate your account or unlock your account, and once you send it, here you'll be asked some questions. What you need to do is simply type in yes, and then you'll get these two options, that is transfer to agent or ask a question. Simply tap on transfer to agent, and once you do that, here you'll need to verify your identity or confirm your identity. So the Fanduel live chat will send you a verification code. What you need to do is enter in that verification code, and once you do that, next what you need to do is answer some questions in order to secure your personal account. And once you do that, all you gotta do is just simply follow the instructions, and once that's done, you'll be receiving an email that will notify that your account has been unlocked. And all you gotta do now is just simply click on confirm in chat, and then all you gotta do is log into your account and use the Fanduel, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.